Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is Emmylou Arts, and today I am going to show you my last couple of days of journaling in my A5 Hobonichi cousin Avec. That is what I use for my creative day-to-day journaling and memory keeping. So get out something that you enjoy working on and let's just relax and be creative for a little while. So you'll see that there was a slight mishap with Wednesday the 29th and Thursday the 30th, so we're a little bit mixed up. So Wednesday, though, we just started the day with our normal, school. What else are we all doing now? We're all teachers. Didn't need a degree. Oh, yeah, that's the sad part. You do need a degree. I do not have a degree in teaching, but here we are. I have stuck in that Oh Happy Day washi at the bottom. Somebody sent it to me, and it's so cute. It was a good day. And then that little bee sticker, is that already stuck in there? Yes. I had put that in there. It was on a package that somebody sent me that that bee is the cutest. And then I printed out a picture on my Sprocket of my kids in a tree in our front yard. Every spring, this tree in our front yard blooms, and my kids climb into it and they take a picture. I don't know how that started, but every year they say, oh, it's time to take our tree picture, when the tree starts blooming. So we took our tree picture, and it was funny because I texted it to my mom, and then she was like, oh my gosh, they're growing up before our eyes. And then she texted me leave it to a grandma to have like the last 5 years on hand. She immediately texted back like the 5 past ones or 4 past ones. And man, it hit me right in the feels. But yeah, they're growing up. So I put that in there, and then that little heart sticker says Annual Tree Picture Day. And then I used some of the washi strips from a pig and cat set. Up at the top, that is, I ripped off a piece of packaging from some stickers, that bunny and the cat. I thought that was so cute. And then more pig and cat stickers, and I wrote Lakeview School. Oh, I haven't wrote that yet, but that piece of collage, the cat being scared of the vacuum, he says, I promise I won't shed anymore. I thought that was so funny because I vacuumed. I mean, more than I usually vacuum. It was like a take out the couch cushions kind of vacuum. And oh my, my family is disgusting. Came to that conclusion. So basically, I drug my kids over and I made them look. I'm like, look at this. Look at what you do. Just one more thing they can tell their therapist about. Oh, yeah, it was a long time coming though. But man, was it gross. And let's see. I stuck a little tab on there because in the morning I went crazy with tabs on my new planner setup. Down in the kitchen. The kids were doing school and I was just tabbing everything in sight. So I put that in there. And then that banana with the cat, those are stickers that I was sent, and oh my god, they're so funny. This cat reading the newspaper looks exactly like my husband. It's so funny. And I put that circle sticker in with one of that little credit card die cut sticker because it was Shine Sticker Studio did like a 25% off coupon for her mom's birthday, and I got suckered in. I ordered just a couple die cuts, and I wanted some Luna vacuuming stickers, so that's why I ordered. I just ordered a sheet of those. I spent like $7, $7 more than I should have spent, but sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And they're just so cute. I can hardly resist. And then I was just journaling about the day. It was just a nice day. Just relaxed and did a lot of vacuuming. And then in the evening I was outside and I picked up a bunch of sticks in our yard. Like, it had been so windy that a bunch of limbs fell down, and then ended up playing hide and seek with my kids, which is really funny because they're terrible at it. it's just funny. I love evenings where it just turns into playing outside. Those are my favorite. And oh, those are those stickers, the banana with the animal. And I took that piece of candy off and put it up in the corner because that was sort of a lot of things that I found underneath the couch cushions were some candy wrappers. So I took Henry to the chair that he sits in a lot, and I was like,
"Hey Henry, where'd all these wrappers come from? What do you think happened there?"
And he's like,
I don't know. That's weird.
oh God. I mean, I get it. Okay, so then going backwards, counterintuitive, to Thursday, I put a strip of floral washi on the bottom because it was just a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spring day. So pretty out. And I put that sunny sticker. These were stickers from one of those American Crafts sticker books. It might have been the Maggie Holmes Flourish one or Paige Evans. This one was one of the ones that somebody sent me. So I think it could have been the Maggie Holmes Flourish one. I'm not sure. A little alarm clock for starting school, a coffee cup, and then I love those little music notes because the kids always turn on Alexa and listen to music while they're doing school. So a lot of times it's the Frozen 2 soundtrack or Top Pop, which is kind of funny too. They love Boots with the Fur. Whenever that song comes on, they love it. And don't judge me as a parent that I let them listen to that. It's just funny to hear a 7-year-old sing it.
Boots with the fur. The whole club was looking at her.
Oh Lord. I have good parenting moments too. Maybe that's not one of them. And then I stuck in one of my cat sticker flakes, the Goro Goro Nyansuki, of the cats picking their nose. And I wrote school by it. And then I put in that piece of collage of like the little spade thing. I pulled so many weeds yesterday and finished picking up limbs and stuff. Our yard looks really nice in the back. And I had that piece of collage was from an ad. I think it's from like a green cleaning brand or something. I can't remember, but I just thought it was so cute and perfect for what I spent the day doing. And then I printed out a Sprocket picture of my husband cutting my son's hair. It is funny. He looks like a Q-tip now. And then I used my How to Draw Almost Every Day book and drew a little barber shop pole on top of there and colored it in with my Arteza colored pencils. I thought it turned out really cute. And I love that Hey Good Lookin' sticker. That is adorable. I think that one was from the Maggie Holmes Flourish. Oh, I'm sorry guys that I can't tell you the exact names. I know that she wrote them on the backs of some of these, so let me see if I can see. Oh, American Crafts Maggie Holmes sticker book. So I don't know if it's Flourish or if it's just Maggie Holmes. Fun fact about the American Crafts sticker books. Get them at Tuesday morning and you can save a lot of money on them. A lot of times they have a bunch of them. And then I just journaled about our day. And I love that bee sticker because my kids were outside for a lot of it. And if they see a bee, it's the end of the world as we know it. So... And then Henry's Q-tip haircut, and I'm just adding hearts. That's about the size of it, just giving you the flip through there. I did decorate my beginning of May spread with a piece of collage from a Real Simple magazine with a quote that I really like. Most big transformations come about from the hundreds of tiny, almost imperceptible steps we take along the way. So I will leave you guys with that, and I will see you again soon with more planners and journaling. Bye!